Today we're going to be learning how to make a one-page, 8-panel mini-zine. Start by taking a piece of letter paper and folding it in half long ways. We want to make sure that the crease is nice and crisp, so use the back of your finger to do that. Then you're going to unfold it and fold it the other way, and then let it fold in on itself like a brochure. Make sure that all of the creases are very easy to see, and for this example, I'm going to go over them in a dark marker so that we can see where all of the lines happened. Then, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm labeling all of the pages as they will be in the finished product. Next, we're going to want to fold it in half and cut it down the middle so that we only cut between the middle panels. That way when we push it together, you'll see that it makes a star, and then when we fold it, it creates our little mini-zine. Now that the demo is out of the way, I have an example here of where I'm making a kind of meta mini-zine about making mini-zines. For this example, I'm not using a dark marker, but I'm just using a pen to show where the lines are, so I kind of have guides of where everything needs to fall. I'm writing out everything that I need on the different pages, so remember that page 1 and 2 are going to be a single spread, so that information is going to be next to each other. So I have it be the supplies and the initial folds. On the second spread, pages 3 and 4, I talk about how to unfold, draw, and make the cut. Again, just illustrating that we only want that cut to be in the very center of the sheet. And we do that by folding it in half, making one big cut down there. When we fold it again to make the final zine, we fold it hot dog ways and push it together from the ends so that it shoots out from the middle, making a little star. From there, we just fold it in on itself, making sure that the front and back cover are on the outside. And there you go. We have our first little mini-zine. These templates are available on Gumroad for free to download and follow along with. I hope you enjoy. Thanks, and happy zining!